Today I'm excited because I've got my hands on the OnePlus 11. What you get in the box is the phone itself, the case, the power cable, and the power brick, which is 100 watt, and that's a lot of power. What can this phone do? Well, I feel like it depends on your imagination, but for me, these phones do a great job in like creating content, taking videos and photos. I feel like I would pick a OnePlus Pro 10, 11 at any given time if I was to choose to create content on the fly. I'll definitely go with a phone and do it. And I'll definitely do an amazing job at it because, well, these phones are packed with crazy cameras, 50 megapixels, 48 megapixel camera, and 32. So imagine what you can do with that kind of power. And this phone can shoot up to like 8K. I kind of like the previous design because of how they did the camera setup. This one is a bit too much because of like maybe the camera bump is a bit too much on this one. But the previous one was pretty dope. And by the way, I'm shooting this video on a OnePlus 10. I'm going to upgrade to this one and I'm going to sell the phone that I'm taking this video on. And that's the OnePlus 10 Pro. So if you're interested, let me know in the comment section below or just hit me up and then we're going to discuss. Otherwise, I'm excited and I can't wait to see what this phone can do. So without wasting much of your time, let's go and shoot some footage. Peace.